Hernansanz, a Conversational AI Specialist in Artificial Solutions. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create different types of front-end elements in Teneo Web Chat. Let's take a look.
Teneo Web Chat is a chat widget that can be embedded in websites. It has built-in support for various what we call message types, like buttons, images, audio, and videos, and a powerful JavaScript API, which allows for easy live chat integration and extendability. The message types themselves are created as simple JSON structures, which indicates the front end what needs to be displayed. First, let me show you some examples of the most frequently used message types. Let's see how an image is embedded in the Teneo Web Chat front end. Okay, and now what about a YouTube video embedded in our front end?
Conversation is the lifeblood of communication, and now that communication isn't just between humans.
Good. And let's also display another element which is used very often. Yes, buttons. Now, let me show you how to create a flow with a video in Teneo Web Chat message type from the beginning. Suppose that we need a flow to show a user a video of an introduction to Teneo. Let's say that the user is going to ask, "What is Teneo?" Let's create this flow with a proper language condition. Good. And now, let's add the answer text to our output node. Perfect. Now, let's insert a video into the output node. To do this, we need a JSON string containing the essential information around the video, and of course, put it in the output parameter. First, let's create a flow variable called video.json. Okay. Then we need to write the value of this variable in the script node. Perfect. This script node should be placed before the output node so that the information around the video is ready to be used within the output node parameter. Let's set the script node as a starting node and link it to the answer. Perfect. Now we need to create the required JSON structure. This JSON structure will be of type string and should contain a map with two keys, which are type and video URL. Let's define first an empty map. Now add the first key, type. This time we are going to embed a YouTube video, so let's put YouTube video as the value of type. In case you're going to embed a video from Vimeo, you would put Vimeo video as the type. For other type of videos or sources, just put video. Good. The value of type should be in lowercase without space. Let's add the second key, which corresponds to the URL of the video. Finally, let's convert this map object to the required JSON formatted string using a method predefined by Groovy. Now we have the JSON ready. The final step is to put it in the output parameter. Let's choose the output node, find the output parameter bar, and click the Add button. The output parameter name should always be Teneo Web Client, lowercase and no spaces, for any type of the messages in Teneo Web Chat, no matter if it's an image, a video, or buttons. In this way, our Teneo Web Chat front end knows that it needs to interpret this information and how to do it. Let's add it here. As for the value, we should fill in the JSON format string we just prepared. We need to use here the $sign plus curly brackets when making use of variables value, in this case video JSON, as the value of the output parameter. Okay, now save the flow and close it. Let's publish it and see if the video is shown correctly in the front end. Okay, now do you remember how to trigger this flow that we just added? Yes, what is Teneo? Click the play button to check if the video is playable.
Natural language capabilities are increasingly used by
Well done!
users who expect
Now you can easily set up videos in Teneo Web Chat.
In other words,
In today's episode, we have explored different front-end elements in Teneo Web Chat, specifically how you can add a video as part of your conversational interface content. And this has been only a little glimpse on Teneo Web Chat. It has so many great features. I hope you enjoyed this episode and thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to receive new content notifications. Also, check out the description box for the links to our GitHub repository. See you in the next video.